Hey guys, real quick. Shout out to Robot36 for asking me to put together a compilation of the vending machine scene from ENA Dream BBQ. It's honestly one of the most standout moments, so here it is.
You got a lot going on here. I could be the boss. No, you can't.
I disagree.
I disagree. That's right. I am a vending machine. Oh, dude said he was gonna come to you. Oh, we're dreams are made of. We doodle in tickets for sale. But what? I can't sell things. You can't sell. Wow.
Guys, wait! I'm not doing what you say I'm doing! I'm not doing anything!
What the fuck?
I'm not doing anything at all!
Holy crap. I know. You convinced me. But I only sell one thing to you. Leave it or take it. I need money first. Is that mayonnaise? A special cream used at a sleep mask. Relax and cover your eyeballs. Not for ENA. That's crazy. Not for ENA. I have zilch coins. None. Maybe another time then.
What are you? WarioWare act. Ah!
I disagree.
That's right, I'm a vending machine. Where chips are made of wheat noodles and tickets are... I was not done with that, but thank you.
Guys, wait! I'm not doing what you say I'm doing!
What?
I'm not doing anything! I'm not doing anything at all!
What? Were those bullets? Let me tell you one thing, you take it or leave it. I saw flute? Mayonnaise. Not for ENA, not for ENA, okay, so I get freaking mayonnaise for $10. In this economy, are you kidding me? Special cream, best used as a sleep mask. Relax and cover your eyeballs in absolute ovum. Okay, so I'm a victim right now. This guy just is selling me mayonnaise for my eyeballs. My eyeballs are perfectly fine. I don't need mayonnaise. That'd be 10 chocolates, but you don't have enough money. I gotta find chocolate.
It's like you can talk to everything, and what is this? Nope.
I disagree.
Yeah, everyone out here wants to be the dang boss, though. Yeah. Is that like comfortable though? It's painful. Our dreams are made of wheat noodles and tickets for sale and bought from that window. My guy's losing his dang mind.
Guys, wait! I'm not doing what you say I'm doing! I'm not doing anything!
What is happening? We got two different worlds going on here. I don't understand what's happening, dude. Okay, what can we get? What can we get? What can we get? Not for ENA. Okay. Mayonnaise, special cream, best used as a sleep mask. Relax and cover your eyeballs and... I understand. I think I'm not gonna risk it. I'll take the mayonnaise. Yes. I don't have 10 chocolates. I don't have any money. Oh, can I have this, please? Can I take this one? No. Maybe, yeah, I guess I'll walk away. Goodbye. Thingy.
I disagree.
Guys, wait!
Oh, I missed the pet. I forgot.
I'm not doing
What is-
anything! I'm not doing anything at all!
The bullets. Not for ENA. Not for ENA. Not for ENA. Mayonnaise. I love mayonnaise. I guess. I don't have money. Well, fine. I'm just gonna go walk away.
I
don't think so.
disagree.
Uh-oh.
Guys, wait! I'm not doing what you say I'm doing!
Ooh, bullets.
I'm not doing anything! I'm
Ooh.
not doing anything at all!
You convinced me. Sweating bullets. Ha ha ha. Ha ha. I get it. Oh, I see. Not for ENA. Mayonnaise. All that I get is a tub of mayo. A special cream best used as a sleep mask. I don't know about that. Relax and cover your eyeballs in absolute ovum. Ugh. 10 chocolates. That's a weird way to say it. Don't ever say that again. You don't have enough money. I see.